Chali, so we are here for a session in concern to mental ability, in which I shall be sharing some of the tips of how to score best in mental ability, and we shall be solving some puzzles and questions too. Okay, hello Aradhana, hello Pradeep, hello Devasaman, hello Sandeep. Good afternoon, and welcome to another beautiful session of mental ability on NTSC Foundation channel of Vedantu. So we are here to discuss something about mental ability, that how we can score best in mental ability, and of course we shall be solving some of the questions also and some of the puzzles also, right? Chaliye, so ready hai janta? Hello Abhi, this is Abhilaksh. Hello Abhilaksh, good afternoon. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Fine. So I guess we should start with the session now. I hope you all are ready with the notebook and pen to solve some of the puzzles, some of the questions, and to maybe note down some of the tips in concern to how to score best in mental ability. Right? चलिए, so आगे बढ़ते हैं. Right. So we are here how to score best in mental ability. Now, what is mental ability? The simple usage of brain is referred as mental ability. It is not just about questions. It's not about just your NTSC curriculum or your maybe some Olympiad curriculum. It is about usage of brain. When we say mental ability, it simply means how good you are in analyzing a situation, in analyzing anything, and then how you are coming out with the solution. So that is all about mental ability. It is not just about solving a question. So before I start with this session, I would like to share few things. Many students are in habit of thinking that they are good in mental ability because they are in position to solve maybe 10 odd varieties of mental ability question. Well, that is not the way to grasp mental ability. Mental ability means daily usage of brain in anything and everything. If you are in position to utilize your brain fully, if not fully, then to the max, even then you are using your mental ability at the best. So when we say that we need to improve that, that simply means it should help us in our day-to-day life, right? So mental ability is not about grasping 10 questions or solving just 10 varieties and becoming the master of that variety. No, that is not about grasping of mental ability. Of course, you need to practice such questions, and I shall be telling you tips and tricks for that, but it is something beyond that, right? चलिए देखिए लोग क्या लिख रहे हैं अभी. अरे tomorrow is your NTSC. Kumar Uday, you are from which state बच्चे? You are from which state? Because I guess Karnataka paper has been postponed to Monday instead of Sunday. So tomorrow you have got your NTSC exam. All the best, I would say, for all those who are having their NTSC exam. All the best, right? Mental ability plays a very important role in that. Bihar, okay. Chali, all the best and do well, right? Half of the paper is mental ability. I hope today's session may or may not help you. I don't know एक दिन में क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आएगा या नहीं आएगा, but NTSC जरूर दीजिए because it is one of the important examination. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं जरा. Okay, why is mental ability important? Generally, when we say mental ability, we generally correlate mental ability with some test. Test means some assignment, something to solve. So generally you will see a word MAT as a short form, right? So you may see, right, this is the short form for mental ability also, and this is the short form for mental ability test also, right? So it is generally a parameter. When we say in an exam there are two parts, SAT and MAT, so generally the MAT refers to either mental ability or mental ability test. Now why they are testing you on mental ability? Like people are preparing for NTSC and half of the paper is NTSC, and then there are many exams, you know, across the globe. You pick any exam, there is 99% probability that they would be asking mental ability question in that. I will share with you. In India, examination like CAT, Common Admission Test for your MBAs, or Bank PO, that is for your postal vacancies, or you talk of income tax officer, or you talk of any government vacancy, or you talk of any other exam, you will find mental ability over there. Now, why they are asking those things? Let's explore that. But there are many other exams. If you will apply abroad, even then they would be asking you certain questions. And not only that, even when you sit for your interview, they ask you questions about mental ability. Now, this is something which is different from a paper. In the examination, when they are asking you mental ability, they are looking for one particular answer. Means you have got 4 options, you need to pick one. Through that, they are judging you. But in practical application, when you are sitting for an interview and they ask you one mental ability question, frankly, they are not looking for the exact answer. They are looking for approach. The approach which you would be following to solve a question will actually tell them that how good you are in your analytical skills. And those analytical skills are the resultant of all those assignments, all those work, all those brainstorming and puzzle solving which you might have done in your junior classes. That's why it is really very important to solve, practice certain things which help in the development of mental ability, right? Chaliye, so mental ability test is a parameter used in different competitive exams to check the way of the thinking of the candidate, right? They don't want to check your academic knowledge, but they want to know the way you are thinking. So it is more important to check that how we are thinking, and it is more important to align our thinking towards the solution approach, that how to get on to the solution with our approach. तो आज हम कुछ ऐसा ही करने वाले हैं, कुछ मजेदार puzzle solve करेंगे, right? Okay, so why should we practice mental ability? Well, simple answer is it improves our logical thinking approach. So that's a simple thumb rule. If you want to improve your logical thinking approach, you should practice certain things which develop mental ability. तो वो जरा certain things की तरफ चलते हैं थोड़ा. Okay, mental ability or reasoning. Now these are two synonyms. You may see that okay, reasoning is a word which goes as a synonym for mental ability, and generally people say there are two varieties of reasoning, that is deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Now this is deductive, is that is inferential, right? It's an inferential. आपने कुछ पढ़ा, आपने कुछ देखा और आपने उसका कुछ inference ढूंढा और आपने एक conclusion निकाला. So that is deductive reasoning. But when I talk of inductive reasoning, not absolute. You are looking for the highest probable answer. Means you have gone for a question and as per you, this is the best possible answer. Now that approach is known as inductive reasoning. There are many other varieties of reasoning actually. You may divide reasoning into many other parts, but it is more important to know how to improve that, how to be the best in that, right? तो वहां चलते हैं हम. चलिए, प्रैक्टिकल डे टू डे एप्लीकेशंस. पहले तो ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में मींस डे टू डे लाइफ में मेंटल एबिलिटी कहां-कहां यूज होता है. Everyday life problems, it's part of academics, it is used in other subjects like science and maths and develops creativity, right? So I'm asking you one simple question. You need to post in the comment box. In a day-to-day life, आप सुबह उठते हैं, your first task is you brush your teeth, right? And maybe when you sleep, you again brush your teeth, right? So I want to ask you, tell me one task in the day where mental ability or reasoning gets utilized. Please post in the comment box one task in the day where you see mental ability or reasoning getting applied. Fatafat, quickly. I repeat once again, I want to know one task in the full day where you feel you are applying your mental ability. While playing cricket, okay. So Prateek says while playing cricket. जब हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं तो mental ability यूज करते हैं. ऐसा होता है? बिल्कुल होता है. Because there also you are using your analytical skills. Mental ability gets utilized even while playing cricket. You may utilize that thing in so many manners. Like when you are strategizing that which player would be going for the batting as per the order, or do I need to tweak the order? No, that is your common sense. And common sense is the resultant of your mental ability or reasoning or thinking skills, right? Similarly, when you are analyzing that a person is standing like this, I should throw my ball in such a manner that is the usage of common sense or mental ability or reasoning. So very good example of cricket. Playing chess, awesome. But chess is all about using your reasoning and calculation ability. That's awesome. Absolutely right. For studying, I agree. Yes, in many of the subjects, mental ability is the part of that subject. It's the core of that subject. Like when we prepare for Olympiads, maths Olympiad, now mental ability is integrated to that. Anything else? Carom. अरे वाह, कैरम के लिए मेंटल एबिलिटी कैसे यूज होती है? मेंटल एबिलिटी वहां भी यूज होती है, क्वीन कैसे लेके जानी है, हाउ आई शुड प्लान दैट आई वुड बी गेटिंग दिस रेड मींस पीस, राइट? सो उस रेड पीस के लिए आप पूरी स्ट्रेटेजी लगाते हैं, एंड दैट इज द यूजेज ऑफ mental ability. Walking, oh by God, walking requires mental ability. Yes, it requires mental ability, because anything where you are using your brain, you are using your mental ability. How? Well, I am walking and suddenly I see there is something which is garbage, which is like a garbage. So I would be changing my track. So that is the reasoning of my brain, right? Or maybe those people who are lost with their phones and they are just listening to the music, they may ignore this. So that means they are not using their mental ability. But a person who is attentive would be using his mental ability to see the track and would be walking and would be deciding, right? Chaliye, hi Sidhu, hello, how are you? Any battle preparation? Arre baap re, Ludo. Yes, Ludo is also about using mental ability. Bhai, mera 6 aa gaya. I have thrown a dice and I have got 6. Now with that 6, should I open a new piece or a new GT, or should I move 6 and run away from that place? So that is the usage of mental ability. Very good. What else? Sudoku, chess. Yes, awesome, awesome. These are the practical examples of mental ability which you are in habit of using daily. It is not about solving just 10 questions, right? So you are giving me awesome examples. Okay, Dev Soni says, when we think what to do, yes, while watching, while planning, or while creating a timetable also, you use your mental ability or analytical skills, right? चलिए, तो मैं अब थोड़ा सा इसको आगे बढ़ाता हूं. Practical applications. I'm showing you one pic. ध्यान से देखिए, गौर से देखिए इस pic को and answer my question. There is a cupboard having lot many plates, right? Like we have got cupboards in our kitchen also. You can see that these plates are falling down and are stacked because of this door. Now door is supporting those plates. The moment you will open the door, all plates will fall down. Now in such a case, what will be your approach? What will be your approach? I repeat, I'm showing you one picture in which you can see that the plates are falling down and they are stacked because of the support of a door. Now if I will open the door, these plates will fall down. So what should I do? Yes, this is a single door. This is a single door. This is a single door. अच्छा, बस मम्मी को ना पता चले गिरती है तो गिर जाए. अरे वाह वाह वाह, what an answer. Open second part of the door. There is only one door, but I hope the very special thing is visible in the door. Okay, take out plates from the back. मतलब you mean to say मैं कपबोर्ड के पीछे जाऊं और स्क्रू ड्राइवर लाके उसका पीछे का जो वुडन पार्ट है वो रिमूव करूं और प्लेट्स उठा लूं. Well, possible है, but it's bit cumbersome. Reverse the door. Going from back. Okay, place a pillow below it. अरे वाह, what an idea. What an idea. But there is a chance that it may fall down directly, right? Okay, now there is something special in the picture. There is something special in the picture which you all are missing. There is something special in the picture which you all are missing. Please pay attention to the picture. Please pay attention to the picture. Well, if you will look at the picture, you will realize that this is a sliding door. This is a sliding door. Now, if it is a sliding door, that means the moment you will drag this door to this side, there will be a space. There will be a space, and you can put your hand inside and you can keep those plates. Now there is no space between the door and the plates. So when you will slide the door, none of the plate will be falling out. So just open slide of the door, just open slide of the door, put your hand inside the cupboard and then place those plates at their place. अरे आप वही कह रहे थे, जय श्री राम, ग्रेट. अगर आप यही बोल रहे थे तो that's right. I repeat once again, in the picture it is visible that it is a sliding door. It is a sliding door. So if it is a sliding door, then you can easily slide slightly, maybe a 10 centimeter piece, and then you can put your hand inside and you can arrange the plates and then you can open rest of the door, right? Chaliye. So let's explore one more problem. Let's explore one more problem. Okay. Now here is the problem. The problem says, when we talk of pothole covers means gutter के ढक्कन. I repeat once again, हिंदी में उसको अगर बोलेंगे तो गटर के ढक्कन को हम pothole cover बोलते हैं, right? So you must have seen two type of pothole covers. Some are circular in shape, some are rectangular in shape. When we talk of household pothole covers or the pothole covers which are there in our houses, they are generally square in shape. Oh. Sorry, I guess something is happening. This is not working. Okay, so back to the question. Sorry for that. The question is, if you have got two type of pothole covers, you will generally observe that on the roads, the pothole covers are circular in shape, whereas in household things or in your houses, you will see pothole which are square in shape. Now we all know that this circular shape is difficult to create, right? And maybe it is expensive also, right? Because it results in wastage of metal, maybe. But this is difficult to create, difficult to manage. But still on roads, you will always see circular pothole covers, whereas in rest of the places, at houses particularly, you will see pothole covers which are square in shape. Now there is a proper reason behind it. I repeat once again, when we talk of pothole covers, gutter के ढक्कन, तो वो gutter के ढक्कन भी दो तरीके के हैं. They are circular in shape, they are square in shape. Now circulars are used when we talk of roads, right? And those are designed to avoid accidents. So those are designed to avoid accidents. But फिलहाल के लिए my question is, why we are having two different type of potholes? Any idea? Yes, absolutely right, but I don't know why this is moving ahead. Okay, I guess there is some problem in the button, that's why it is moving ahead, but कोई बात नहीं, हम फटाफट solution की तरफ चलते हैं, right? Okay, now if you see, there is a special thing. If I talk of circular potholes and some accident takes place, this pothole cover will never be going inside the tunnel. I repeat, because we are in habit of using these pothole covers on roads, so there is a probability of accident that when a worker is working, he may leave that piece or a cap and it suddenly falls into the pothole. So in that case, it will just fit into the piece and it will just topple and will settle dhum. Like tuck, 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 dhum. Something like that, right? But if I talk of square potholes, well, in that case, this piece can move inside because the diagonal is more in length. So if a piece is square, it can fall directly into the pit. Right? So that's why on roadside to avoid accidents, they use circular pothole covers, because a circular pothole cover will never move inside, or will, even if it falls down, it will never be going down into the you can say pothole, and won't be creating any accident or harm, right? But in houses, as we know that we are not in habit of using these pothole covers frequently, that's why there is a very less chance of accident, and that's why okay, so that's why means we use these simpler ones because they are comparatively cheap, easy to handle. These are of course expensive, but on roadsides, to avoid accidents, we go for circular potholes. So I hope it is clear, although the slides were moving, but I hope it is clear. तो अगर आपको ये clear है concept, which is the concept of usage of mental ability to day-to-day life, please show me some likes and thumbs up so that I know कि आपको ये बात समझ आ गई, because slides were moving, so I am a bit doubtful. Got it, sir. Devosman says, got it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. और जिनके लिए कंसेप्ट नया था, न्यू था, they can also show me some thumbs up and smileys so that I know that you have got that concept. Right. Great. चलिए, तो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. We are moving on to the next one. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now, I will ask you one very basic thing. Now, you can see the usage of mental ability on WhatsApp also. Well, in WhatsApp, we are in habit of getting puzzles like these, which are simple application of mental ability, nothing else. Nothing else. You can see this is a very common picture which is getting circulated on WhatsApp also, and they ask you which cup fills first. सबसे पहले कौन सा cup भरेगा? तो if you are in position to see, फटाफट अरे posting शुरू हो गई. You are saying 4 9. 4 भरेगा सबसे पहले. Some are saying 9. Okay, any other? 4. People are more interested in 4. 4. मच गया शोर चारों, और कप भरेगा पहले 4. Yeah, that's the case. No, it's not the case. It's not the case. Have a look. भाई 4 कैसे फिल होगा? पाइप ब्लॉक्ड है. पाइप इज ब्लॉक्ड ओवर हियर. 4 नहीं फिल होगा. 9 भी नहीं फिल होगा. 9 is also blocked. So 9 won't be getting filled up. Neither 4 nor 9. Now if I move on to 7, no, the pipe is blocked. The pipe is blocked over here. So 7 won't be getting filled. That means which cup will fill first? Of course, you can see the cup number 5. The cup number 5. Because rest all 3 pipes are blocked. Rest all 3 pipes are blocked. Right? So right, absolutely right. बिल्कुल सही आंसर बता रहे हैं अभी. अब सबको क्लिक हो गया. Now we can move ahead. Right. So the crux is that we are in habit of facing mental ability on day-to-day basis. That's why it is very important to go for certain practices, and we should start with those practices as early as possible, because when our brain is raw, it has full capacity to grasp things. So if we are in a junior class, 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, we have time to practice mental ability, and we have time to mold our brain. Brain is like a muscle. More you practice, more it will be sharper, right? तो फिलहाल के लिए let's churn our brain. देखे आपका brain कितना develop हो रखा है. So brain acts like a muscle, as I was saying. बड़ी simple सी बात है. If you will see the evolution process also, the tail got removed away because in evolution there was no usage of tail. Tail was not getting used, and ultimately it was removed. In case of brain, more we are using, more it is getting developed. That's why use your brain, and you need to practice many things like Sudoku. You need to play crosswords. You need to solve puzzles. You can play chess. All these activities actually help in developing of brain. So now we are moving on to churning of brain. थोड़ा सा brain का exercise करवाते हैं, question solve करते हैं. So be ready for the questions. I'm asking you the first question. Be ready for the same. First question for all of you is from series. You have to tell me which is the next figure. But now you must be thinking, sir, diagram कैसे बनाएंगे? ये तो diagrams हैं. You need to check which will be the next diagram. So I will give you options. Also. Yes, these are the options. Okay, these are the options. So you have got diagrams and you have to check which is the next diagram, which is the next diagram, quickly. And please post your logic also, please post your logic also, quickly. एंड अरे भाई, आप अगर सेशन एंजॉय कर रहे हैं तो थोड़े से लाइक्स थम्स अप बनते हैं उनके लिए, दोज हु आर आंसरिंग करेक्टली, एंड फॉर ऑल दोज हु आर लर्निंग, एंड सम लाइक्स टू द सेशन आल्सो if you are enjoying. Okay, people are posting answer as D. Okay, now people are posting answer as A. Well, that's right, Pari, okay, Perry Singh, okay, very good. Fine, absolutely right, बिल्कुल सही बताया आप लोगों ने. देखिए फटाफट, चलिए, this is nothing but numbers and their mirror images. 1 and mirror image of 1 combine, 2 and mirror image of 2, 3 and mirror image of 3, 4 and mirror image of 4. Now the next has to be 5 and mirror image of 5, 5 and mirror image of 5. So that means if I will combine 5 with mirror image of 5, I would be landing up at this. I hope that is clear to all. चलिए, जिनको समझ आ गया, खुद के लिए और बाकियों के लिए और क्वेश्चन के लिए, सम लाइक्स सम स्माइलीज इफ यू आर गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन, आपको समझ आ गया तो फटाफट, एंड सम लाइक्स टू द सेशन आल्सो. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. अरे भाई फटाफट, ताकि हम ज्यादा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर पाए इन द गिवन टाइम. इजी फीस, ओके, वेरी गुड. दिस इज राम रतन, वेरी गुड. चलिए, सो दिस इज द आंसर. Okay, now we are moving. Now the answer is also visible, but in any case, let's move to the question. The question says 5 men A, B, C, D, and E are reading a newspaper, and he says the one who reads first gives it to C. The one who reads last had taken from A. E was not the first or the last to read. There were 2 readers between B and A. B passed the newspaper to whom? So that's the question. Although I guess the answer was visible because slides आगे भाग रही थी, और slides को हमसे ज्यादा जल्दी है, I guess, right? So they are eager to help you in one way or the other. Okay, answer is C. We will check. Any other answer? 5 men A, B, C, D read a newspaper. The one who reads first gives it to C. The one who reads first gives it to C. The one who reads first gives it to C. That means we are aware about, there are 5. So the second position is with C, because the one who reads first gives it to C. The one who reads last had taken from A. The one who reads last has taken from A. Right? So that is 4th. So C and A are known to us. Now he says E was not the first or the last to read. E was not the first or the last to read. There were 2 readers between B and A. There were 2 readers between B and A. A is here. B passed the newspaper to whom? B passed the newspaper to whom? अब तो सारी दुनिया जानती है B ने न्यूज़पेपर किसको दिया है? B ने न्यूज़पेपर दिया है C को. So B gave newspaper to whom? B gave newspaper to C. I hope that is clear to all, right? B to C, absolutely right. चलिए, so that is clear to all. So this is the order B, C, A, D, and this is the stepwise explanation of the question. For all those who are by chance not in position to grasp this, they can pause and they can check the full solution, right? क्लियर है सभी को? अगर क्लियर है तो थोड़े से लाइक्स, थोड़े से थम्स अप दिखा दीजिए ताकि हम आगे बढ़े फटाफट. Okay, now we are moving on to a fantastic puzzle. फटाफट इस puzzle को देखिए, right? Okay, now in the puzzle you can see there is a square and it is further divided into many squares. You have got a square divided into so many squares and some of the parts are colored, right? Now, what is the question and what do you need to solve? So pay attention to this. We have got white regions. This white region is A, this white region is B, this white region is C, and this white region is D. Right? I repeat once again. you have got a square divided into 4 squares, out of which 1/4 of the square is colored, right? 1/4 of this square is colored, right? Now there is a question which is about to come, so pay attention to this कि question कैसे solve करना है और question क्या है. Now if I ask you that you have to divide white region of A into two equal parts, if you have to divide white region of A into two equal parts, how you would be doing that? You would be drawing this line. If I ask you that you have to divide white region of A into two equal parts, you will just draw one line. Similarly, if I ask you that you have to draw or you have to divide region white of B into three equal parts, this is also very easy. Right? Three equal parts. Equal parts means same shape, same color. Now the question is coming to you. Now the question is for you. So be ready for the puzzle now. I hope this is clear to all. Chali. So divide region C into 4 equal parts. Divide region C into 4 equal parts. Divide region C into 4 equal parts. Quickly. Divide region C into 4 equal parts. So, of course, you are not in position to post the answer as a picture, but you need to tell me the shape. When you will divide white region of C into 4 equal parts, what will be the shape of one such part? All 4 parts need to be equal, of same shape, same size. Smith-Sincar, what is the shape? Triangle. No, triangle is not possible. बहुत बार बच्चे ये सोचते हैं that this is a square and this is the shaded area. So what they do is they draw this. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because these two are smaller triangles. These two are bigger triangles. These two are smaller triangles. These two are bigger triangles. So this is not correct. So triangle is not correct. I repeat once again, if you will divide the white region of C into 4 equal parts, what will be the shape of one such part? What will be the shape of one such part? Square. Bhai, possible hai? Is it possible to divide this white portion which is L in shape, into 4 equal parts? Is it possible? Question is to divide white region of C, that is L-shaped, this is the diagram, into 4 equal parts. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Pay attention. How can we do that? Well, again the diagram will be L-shaped diagram. Four equal parts, which are L-shaped diagrams, Four equal parts. So you can divide L into 4 equal parts. I hope that is clear to all. क्लियर है तो थोड़े से थम्स अप, थोड़े से स्माइली दिखाइए, बिकॉज अगला एक और क्वेश्चन आपके पास आ रहा है विच इज अगेन कनेक्टेड टू दिस डायग्राम. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन इन कंसर्न टू दिस डायग्राम, अ सिमिलर डायग्राम. सो पे अटेंशन. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. Oh, so this is the answer. This is the answer to the question, right? Fine. Now the question, divide the white region into 5 equal parts. Divide white region D into 5 equal parts. So what will be the shape of one such part? Divide white region D into 5 equal parts. What will be the shape of one such part? Divide white region of D into 5 equal parts. What will be the shape of one such part? फटाफट. If you will divide white region of D into 5 equal parts, well, it is really very easy. Dividing white region of D into 5 equal parts, you can draw 4 lines. You can draw 4 lines, or you may draw 4 vertical lines, because it is fully simple square. You just need to draw 4 vertical or 4 horizontal lines. But if you were not in position to get on to the answer, the reason is very simple. When we are solving a question and the question is a bit complex, we tend to think that the next question will be also a complex question. So we tend to look for a complex solution, whereas many times the solution to the problems are really very easy, right? You told Pari, you are absolutely right. Mohammad Sajid, you are right, absolutely right. Devosman, you all are right. Awesome. So जिनसे बन गया awesome, जिनसे नहीं बना कोई issue नहीं है. This is only because you were looking for a difficult solution, whereas this one was the most easiest one. This one was the most easiest one. And one more thing, I don't know how many of you might have solved like this, but many times what happens is when this question is given to students, they just draw this diagram. They just draw this diagram and then they keep on checking how to create the fifth region, right? बहुत सारे बच्चे ये डायग्राम बना लेते हैं and then they look for the fifth region कि पांचवा रीजन कहां से लेके आए, right? अगर आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ तो you can post a smiley. And many of the students are not in position to get on to this. अगर उन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन पहले सॉल्व ना कर रखा हो तो, क्योंकि ये एक रिदम में चल रहा है, रीजन ए, रीजन बी, रीजन सी, एंड द लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, सो पीपल tend to think that the next question will be a difficult one, which is not the case in this. So moving ahead. Okay, sorry for this. I guess fine. It's bad. Well, that's your next question. Using 8 exactly 8 times make 1,000. Using 8 times exactly make 1,000. Now the answers were visible, need not to worry, right? But I guess some problem is there with the slide and it is running like anything, right? So फिलहाल के लिए using 8 exactly 8 times make 1,000. You have to create 1,000 by using 8 times. Well, Archana, this is for all classes. This is for all classes. Even if you are in 9th class, 10th class, 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, it will help you. Yes. You can use any mathematical symbol, but use 8 exactly 8 times to create 1,000. Are Dev Soni, wow, very good, Dev Soni. Yes. And this is the application of mental ability, because you need to use 8 times 8. So obviously, if the answer is only 3 digit, that means you need to go for something in terms of subtraction, something in terms of division, so that the magnitude gets reduced to 1,000. And for 1,000, you need to remove 8 by 8 so that they get subtracted and the ultimate result is 3 zeros. Very good. चलिए, I will show you. I hope ये work करे. Well, yes. So these are 3 solutions in front of you and you can create many others. 8 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8. So this is the most easiest one in terms of sum. So check कर लीजिए, 3, 4, 5, all 8s are there. And then this is another complex one, that is 8 plus 8 into 8 minus 8 plus 8 and whole divided by 8 minus 8. Means बहुत सारे 8, right? Then we have got this one, that is 8,888 minus 888. So which results in actually 8,000. You divide that by 8, you land up at 1,000. Absolutely right. बिल्कुल सही बताया आपने, right? चलिए. So now we have practiced a few questions. So it's better to now move on to generalization. Yes, what should we do? हमें करना क्या चाहिए? Well, in our day-to-day practice, students should try to play Sudoku. They should solve puzzles. Now, this is very important. Whenever I ask any puzzle and students are not in position to solve, they generally ask me this question, Sir, ये पेपर में आएगा? भाई, mental ability पेपर के लिए नहीं पढ़नी. Mental ability brain को develop करने के लिए पढ़नी है. We shall be solving mental ability or puzzles or Sudoku or crosswords so that the thinking power of our brain gets enhanced, gets developed, right? So that is the reason. Similarly, if you can play Rubik's Cube, solve crosswords, play mental ability games. Now, I've seen many students who are playing so many games on phone. Well, if you are so addicted, it's better to spare some of the time on mental ability strategy games, wherein they give you one puzzle to solve and you need to think for the solution. There are many available in your Google Play Store. You can download those, right? I'm not here to endorse any particular game, but I'm just telling you that instead of playing such games which are total waste of time, where you are destroying, just killing, that is all bogus. That just gives you the negative negative sentiment or the headache when you get involved into such things. But when you will solve something creative, when you will solve something, you are making a house out of some pieces, you are solving a puzzle, so those things are awesome, and that actually give you energy and a good thought process. So solve different varieties of mental ability. Now it is very important, never limit yourself to one variety. I always say purchase one book and solve that book fully. Need not to do this, that I'm solving series from this book, from this book, from this book, from this book. No. Complete series chapter from one book, move on to the second chapter, third chapter, finish all chapters. It is very important to solve all varieties, because जब आप बहुत सारी varieties को solve करते हैं तो brain automatically develop होता है. Many students ask me, sir, when we solve series question, we have solved 100 questions. Still, we are not in position to solve a new series question. Well, that is happening because your brain has not been exposed to wide variety of varieties. So, better solve lot many varieties. बहुत सारी varieties solve कीजिए, puzzle solve कीजिए, ताकि आपके brain की सोचने की ability बढ़े. That is more important. Then practice, practice and more practice. Well, there is no other way. You need to practice. Like people talk of creativity. Now, creativity is again a derivation of mental ability. If you are good in thinking, you can be creative too. And believe me, it's vice versa. If you say a person is creative, frankly speaking, I will say he has got a very good, sharp brain. It has got nothing to do with that उसने पेपर में क्या किया. Paper of mental ability is just one way to check that how good you are in choosing one option. But in life, when you will be getting a problem, there will be no options. You have to think the option which is the best option, and for that you need to use your brain. I repeat, the best thing which life offers you is by giving you a brain. Now that brain is there to solve problems, and in life, whenever you would be facing any problem, there will be no options given to you. You need to think that which all 4 options are there, and you need to think the best option out of that. And for that, you need to use your brain. So with this, we are moving on to the end part of this session, right? Chaliye. There is a challenge problem for all of you, for which you need to post the answer in the comment box, and I shall be sharing the names in the next session. The problem is, how many triangles are there in the below diagram? Diagram copy कर लीजिए, NTSC का question है, National Talent Search Examination का, right? And we are about to start with very new series on this channel. So make sure कि आप इस channel को subscribe करें और सारे videos देखते रहें, हर lecture को enjoy करें. फिलहाल के लिए, the question is how many triangles are there? How many triangles are there in this diagram? This you need to decode. So you have to count, but where to post the answer? You have to post the answer in the comment box with your name and class. I repeat, once the session ends, you need to post the answer to the question in the comment box with your name and with your class, right? So chaliye, we are moving on to the end part of this session. I hope you all must have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, give me some thumbs up, give me some smiley, and give some session likes also, right? So that I know that, okay, you have grasped something and you have learned something out of it, right? Okay, be a mental ability wizard, and thank you from my side, because आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, आपने अच्छे से आंसर बताए, so you are already awesome. बस उस awesomeness को थोड़ा सा लेवल और बढ़ाना है, ताकि हम अपने ब्रेन को बेस्ट ऑफ द एबिलिटी पे यूज कर पाए. लाइक many people say that we are in habit of using hardly 10% of our brain. Well, I've got no scientific proof for that, but believe me, your brain has got a capacity which is limitless. And कोई बच्चा नालायक नहीं होता, कोई बच्चा नालायक नहीं होता. It is just the usage of brain. Those who feel that they are nalayak, they are not at all nalayak. They are not using their brain. The day they will start using their brain, they will be as sharp as any other topper. So keep using your brain and keep on practicing and keep on learning at Vedantu. Bye for now. Have a good day.